Hello, how's everybody doing out there? I thought I'd make a quick video on the Economist 2017 occult cover. One of the things I noticed that nobody else has mentioned, I think one of the important things, if you look, um, the background image they chose was a large magellanic cloud in the Milky Way galaxy, and that basically that image there is located in the south ecliptic pole, or if you will, directly below the sun, and that's the image that they chose to use on the cover. And I think that's a very telling image. Why would they use that background image? You have to look at the clues, and that image is telling us to look directly below the sun. And it echoes another theme. This ties back into the Rio Olympics. During the Rio Olympics, they had a massive gravity cauldron. Once again, if you will, there it is. Okay. And this was at the opening and closing ceremonies of the Rio Olympics. Basically, this is telling you it's about a gravity. And again, this cauldron at the Olympics is to look directly below. It's telling you the importance of the sun in this cauldron. Okay, basically they're telling us to look straight down the core of the earth. This is a kinetic wind sculpture, and it's evoking gravity waves. Okay, they're implying things are falling straight down towards the center of the earth. Okay, due to gravity. That's what they're implying here with this image from the Rio Olympics. This was another coded sort of symbolism they use. So another key message is the sun from this cauldron. Once again, Rio Olympics. Rio, it means a river, as in the Milky Way River. Back to the Economist, where they're using the Large Magellanic Cloud as the background image, implying the Milky Way. These things all multi-contextually tie in together. Where the winter solstice, the sun is inside the Milky Way during that December 21st period. Okay, so I think that's an important thing to remember when we're looking at trying to decode this magazine. Let's also look on the cover of the Economist here, and they do show us two suns. You see on the death card we have a sun, and we have a sun on the world card. So they're showing us two suns on the cover of the Economist. Once again, our two sun theory that's going big now with Nibiru and Jupiter and everything. So I also thought that something was interesting here. You have to look at Nostradamus in his Century 2, Quatrain 41. He says, reading here, the great star will burn for 7 days. Well, Saturnalia is December 17th through the 23rd of December. We have 7 days. It says, if you will, Saturn will burn for 7 days. It says the cloud will make two suns appear. So the great star will burn for 7 days, and then the cloud will make two suns appear. Well, we have the Large Magellanic Cloud in the background of the Economist 2017 image. Maybe another hit right there. Then it says, the large mastiff will howl at night when the great pontiff changes his abode. I think we have a coming pope shift event, a big event with the Pope in mid-December or early January. Okay, New Year's Day, maybe even mid-December event. I think you have the combination of Nostradamus' Quatrain, the Economist 2017, and the Rio Olympic ceremonies as our multi-contextual clues here. When you examine the cover, they're hiding the two suns. Well, not hiding, they're showing us that the world card and the death card has the suns. So I think that we can allude that there's a second sun, which is Sirius. Sirius is called the second sun. So if you look at line 3 of Nostradamus, it says the large mastiff will howl all night. Well, Sirius is the dog star, and it howls all night around New Year's Day. Okay, that's literally visible all night long. I think that you have Saturn. You have Katy Perry with the Dark Horse. You have Saturn is in the Dark Horse Nebula, right at the right foot of Ophiuchus in January 2017, roughly around New Year's Day. So I think when you look at, Rio de Janeiro's opening ceremonies, the Economist, the Magellanic Cloud on the cover in the background, and the two suns, I think we could look for a big event in December, maybe a deep impact. San Francisco, we have Pope Francis, San Francisco, maybe the big ones being implied. But there's a lot of multi-contextual coding going on here. So I hope I helped you with any questions you could ask. I'm making a quick video here, but this is how you do. You infer the symbolism that they like to give us, and this is definitely a red flag for me for December, mid-December through Saturnalia, through early New Year's Day. There could be a big pope shift, a big deep impact event coming. All right, folks. Prepare and keep our heads on straight and keep decoding. All right, this is Sean, and thank you.